how to insert a pie chart into Google Sheets. So first thing is you want to open up Google. Sometimes you have to log in through your Gmail account. Once you see your letter, your name, you'll see that you're in. Click on the 9 squares or circles. Click on Drive, left clicking. Then click on New. It'll give you folders and Google Sheets. So I have some preloaded data. My right side's Excel, left side's Google Sheets. So from my Excel side, I'm going to do control+c just to get some data. You could just type up whatever data you have. And then control+v. And then I'm going to title my spreadsheet Drinks Sheets. Okay. So I have all my describers and numbers. So I'm going to select the information. I'm going to click on left click insert, left click chart, and there you have it. It's a pie chart.